Ladies and gentlemen, we're on a mission. We've got a twin cam and an M8 EZ-Shift. We're gonna hit the road, we're gonna find a gentleman running around, we're gonna flag him down. Pull over. And we're gonna slap an EZ-Shift on his bike, probably whatever parking lot we're in. If you're wondering, what is an EZ-Shift? Let me show you, I've got one here on my bike. This is an EZ-Shift. It applies leverage to your shift rod here. It puts it upwards, forward just a little bit. Not only does it allow you to easier find neutral, it allows you to flip through gears super easy. First to second, wherever you gotta be. Let's go find a fella.
Parking lot. What's good, brother?
What's up?
Brock.
Brock, I'm Roy.
Roy? Good to meet you, bro. Dude, I saw your floorboards.
Yeah.
Bro, I've got something for you.
Well, bro, we work for Kraus.
Oh, you're shitting me.
Not one bit, bro.
Are you guys just out for a cruise or?
Yeah.
If you guys got time, like I live over here. If you guys want, you can follow me.
We saw him driving on the road and we noticed that he had Kraus floorboards. So we flagged him down and we've got an EZ-Shift for him. So we followed him home and now we're gonna install it. Can you even imagine a twin cam EZ-Shift right there? Just cover it right back up. Boom. It sits on it just like this. This is where it's normally mounted, right there. We just move it upwards. Get you some more leverage on that guy right there. I might not know what Allen wrenches to use, but I've got our phone number memorized.
That's a lot more. So I can do with my toe.
I think he likes it. Dun, 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 dun. More better. Yeah.
First gear is more defined. Okay. So I can fill it more now. And second gear I can
Just flip through them.
fucking fill neutral. That's awesome.
That's what we like to hear. I'm glad we ran into you.
Yeah. I'm actually fucking tickled pink.
Good, bro.
I thought it was mainly for the M8. I didn't know the twin cam. Fuck yeah.
Just ripping around the neighborhood real quick. It's a night and day difference. What, 10 minutes, if that?
Thanks for letting us, follow you to your house as well. We appreciate that.
If I was wearing a helmet, I wouldn't even pay attention. Off the wall, gone down the fucking road.
We're glad we caught you, bro. Thank you again.
No problem.
Back at the shop now. That was fantastic. We're so glad that he liked it. For such a small part that anyone can really bolt on, it really helps out with finding neutral and also just, flipping through gears altogether. You can get it for your M8, you can get it for your twin cam, you can get it for your trike. It fits more things than it doesn't. Shoot us a call, go to our website, krausmotorco.com. Give me a call, 707-595-0950. Love it.